Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So, the Breville Barista Pro, right? I've been eyeing it for a while. Seems like a really solid machine for stepping up my espresso game at home.
Yeah, it's a great semi-automatic option. But then there's the Jura WE8 automatic coffee machine. It's a whole different beast. Super-automatic. Designed for convenience.
Okay, let's dive in. For someone trying to decide, what's the biggest difference you see right off the bat?
Definitely the automation. The Jura is super automatic. You literally press a button and it grinds, tamps, brews, and even froths milk. It pretty much does everything for you with one touch. Think office environment, or someone who wants perfect coffee fast.
True, the Breville semi-automatic. You have way more control. You're actively involved in grinding, tamping, pulling the shot. It's a more hands-on, barista-style experience. Plus, it has that manual, microfoam milk texturing wand, which is key for latte art.
The Jura also grinds beans, using its Aroma G3 grinder, but it's all internal and pre-programmed. And it boasts that it can make, 12 different barista-quality specialty coffees with the touch of a button. Cappuccino, latte macchiato, flat white, all customizable.
The Breville has an integrated precision conical burr grinder too, with dose control to ensure you get the right amount of coffee every time for maximum flavor. And that thermojet heating system is seriously fast, ready in just 3 seconds.
What about capacity? How often are you refilling these things?
The Breville's bean hopper holds about half a pound, and the water tank holds 67 ounces. So good for a home user, maybe a couple of coffee drinkers.
Jura's got a bigger water tank at 101 ounces and a 17.6-ounce bean container. Plus, it's designed to brew up to 30 cups a day. Seems like it's built for higher volume, definitely leaning towards a small office or a busy household.
Makes sense. What about the grind quality itself? That's crucial for espresso. The Breville has a conical burr grinder with adjustable grind control, so you can really dial in the fineness to match your beans and your taste.
The Jura uses an Aroma G3 grinder. They say it's fast and precise, preserving the aroma of the beans. It automatically adjusts the grind for each drink.
And what about other key features or included accessories? Well, the Breville has a clear LCD display with grinding and extracting progress animations, which is pretty cool. Plus, it comes with both single and dual wall filter baskets, a stainless steel milk jug, and cleaning tools.
The Jura focuses on being eco-friendly, grinding fresh beans for each cup, eliminating the need for wasteful capsules. It's really designed for ease of use and minimal cleanup, especially in a shared office setting. It even has integrated cleaning programs. So it really comes down to how involved you want to be in the process, doesn't it? Do you want to be a hands-on barista, or do you want push-button perfection? And, of course, budget plays a big role, with the Jura being significantly more expensive.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.